Welcome guys. So today we are going to apply organic fertilizer. You have a farm, a garden, a small farm, and you wish to use organic fertilizer for the farm. How do you go about that? Today we have banana peel fertilizer here. How do you do it? Get a large container such as this one and then gather good quantity of banana peels and plantain peels and then put them into the water. After cutting them into small pieces, put them into water and allow them to dissolve into the water for a long time, 1 week, 2 weeks, or even 1 month. Then to apply it, how do we do it? You may not directly apply it into the farm. So let's see what we do to apply this into farm. Come, let me show you just one change that made my plants go faster than ever. See, watch to the end, stick around so that you can see that. We have corn, recently planted, about 1 week now. See, they're going up and it's ready for fertilizer application. You can see the corn, garden. So now we are not going to use artificial fertilizer, we are going to use organic fertilizer. That is banana peel fertilizer that we have prepared right here. Here we have a container containing the banana peel soaked in water for more than 3 weeks now. What we are going to do is to bring part of it into water and apply after diluting with water. Apply to the base of the plant. So as we have it here, you can take 2 bowls from it. So this is ready for use onto the plants. So that is it. So we are going to see it on the farm now, how we will directly apply it to the base of each plant. So that is it. So to do it, if you know how to do the fertilizer properly, check the description box of this video. I left a link for you for a video that explains that. So let's go and see how to apply it right now. So we have corn farm like this, we have a garden like this. The corn have been planted for like 2 weeks now. We have germinated like 10 days, and after germinating, going up for 5 days, 1 week, we are ready for fertilizer application. And that's what we are doing here. We are not using artificial fertilizer, rather we are using this organic fertilizer, which is banana peel organic fertilizer. So we are going to apply and see the way we apply. Dig a small hole and put the water. So you can see it. No quantity is too small, no quantity is too much. Since it is manure mixed with water, this one cannot negatively affect your plant. So you open a small hole at the base of the plant and pour the water. Allow the water to sink down to the roots. Now, after applying the fertilizer like this, then when the corn grow up to like this, you can apply another set. You can use another organic fertilizer like this, apply to them. Then, when the corn grows up and is about to flower, you can apply another one. That will ensure that your plant performs very well. When it grows up and almost bringing flower, apply the last one, making 3 times. So you can do it 3 times for optimal performance. Also, If you wish, you can apply to the base of the cassava. We have cassava planted as space with the corn here. You can apply to the base. Look at them. If you wish and you have enough organic fertilizer, apply to the base of the cassava also. It will help them also to perform better. So that is it. That is how to apply the organic banana peel fertilizer that I will prepare for this garden. Do not forget to like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified when I bring another interesting video like this. What kind of manure or fertilizer do you use in your garden? Comment down, let me see your comments. And if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. I will personally answer your question on the channel. Until other time, I say see you in my next video. Bye bye.